Event planning involves organizing and coordinating all aspects of an event, such as logistics, vendors, and schedules, while project management focuses on overseeing and guiding a project from the start to finish, ensuring it meets goals, timelines, and budgets. In addition, event planning requires attention to detail in managing attendees, venues, and on-the-day coordination, while project management involves strategic oversight, risk management, team collaboration, and resource allocation to ensure successful project. Understanding the event planning process. So first, setting clear objectives. Second is budgeting and resource allocation. Third is timeline task management. Fourth is vendor selection and contract negotiation. Fifth is marketing and promotion, and then the last one is on-site coordination and execution. So this is the example of the event planning process. So first, define the purpose of the event, set a standard, choose a date and location, develop a marketing plan, create a schedule, make arrangement for food and beverages, choose entertainment, plan for transportation, set up registration, and then the last one is prepare for the day of the event.